CIET NCERT presents audiobook Kriti, Textbook of Arts for Grade 8.
Page number 207, Chapter 19, Campaign for Art Awareness. On the right side at the top of the page, there is a QR code. When you scan the QR code, you will be able to get additional resources related to the chapter. An awareness campaign helps communicate a particular message and brings focus to important issues. This message could be about a new service or discount on a product. It could be a public announcement like the campaign about wearing masks during the pandemic, or a message about voter registration. The arts are often used in awareness campaigns related to health, hygiene, environment, justice, and so on. Posters, flyers, banners, hoardings, handouts, and brochures are designed to help communicate these messages. Each of these are carefully crafted with words and visuals to grab people's attention and bring their focus to your message. You might have seen or created posters, banners, flyers, and handouts for a variety of causes and programs in school. Do you think it is important to create awareness about the arts? In this chapter, you will create an awareness campaign to inspire others to participate, support, and appreciate a variety of art forms and cultural artifacts. Creating a campaign involves many steps like collecting material, researching, choosing a format, writing your main message, and making visuals. You will undertake all of these steps to create awareness about arts. On the right side of the page, there are two images. Image number 1 is of a banner of National Handloom Day. Image number 2 is of a banner of Khadi Mahotsav e-Pledge. Page 208. Activity 19.1. Choose the subject for your campaign. For your campaign, begin by choosing a subject. You can work with an artist who may be a painter, sculptor, designer, or photographer. You can also choose a community that is keeping an art and craft tradition alive, like you studied in the previous chapter, or a school production, or even a project of your own. Make small groups of 4 to 5 students each and think about a subject for your campaign together. Here are some prompts. Point number 1. Do you know any artists and art practices from your region? Point number 2. Is there an upcoming festival, local crafts fair in your locality where you are likely to meet artists? Point number 3. Are there any art and design schools in your region? Point number 4. Is there an art museum or gallery near you? What kind of artworks do they exhibit? There are so many artists and art practices that you may not know about. Choose the one you can relate to and discuss it with your teacher. On the right side of the page, there are given 6 images. Image number 1 is of Chhatrapati Shivaji Railway Terminus. Image number 2 is of Channapatna toys from Karnataka. Image number 3 is the art gallery of the Vishwabharati University of Bengal. Image number 4 is the Ferd painting of Rajasthan. Image number 5 is of terracotta pots. And image number 6 is of a crafts mela outlet. Page 209. Activity 19.2. Collect information. Collect information about your chosen topic by doing these. Point number 1. Talk to teachers, friends, and family members. Point number 2. Visit the library, refer to the local newspapers and your textbooks from previous years. Point number 3. Visit artists and their studios or workplaces. Point number 4. Visit a gallery, museum, art fair, or arts. Image number 5. Use the internet under adult supervision to get more information. Maintain notes of the information you have found. Collect visual and text pieces. Try and look for the following pieces of information. Point number 1. What contribution does this art or artwork have on the society? Point number 2. What is the story behind the artist and artwork? Point number 3. What do you find the most special about this artist, artwork, or art practice? Point number 4. What is the inspiration behind the artwork? Point number 5. Are there any specific materials or techniques used? Point number 6. What are the social, economic, and environmental challenges did they face? On the right side of the page is an image of a board that demonstrates many pieces of information visually organized that help you connect and conclude your information. Note to the teacher. It is important for students to present the information as interesting stories with visuals rather than dates and chronology from their biography. Support and guide students in finding visuals and relate it to the information they gather about the artists. Page number 210. Activity 19.3. Organize the information. Point number 1. Think of the main message you want to communicate with your campaign. Point number 2. Create a catchy title for your campaign. The title should not be more than 5 to 7 words and reflect your message clearly. Point number 3. If you are creating a campaign for your own dance and theatre performance, then your title and main message should inspire people to come and see your production. Do you know? The Inner Eye is a film by Satyajit Ray. It is a documentary about the renowned artist Binod Bihari Mukherjee, who was visually impaired. He achieved great success by creating large murals, paintings, and collages. Why do you think Satyajit Ray gave his film this title? Point number 4. Go through the information that you have collected. Point number 5. Organize the information under different headings like Introduction, Process of Making, Background Information, Visual Gallery. These may vary based on your chosen topic. Example for a campaign title: A Stitch in Time. This could be a title for an embroidery or patchwork tradition, since each stitch is made with care, one at a time. It reflects a patient and thoughtful process. On the right side at the bottom of the page, there is an image of a woman doing embroidery or patchwork. Page 211. Activity 19.4. Create visuals and bring it together. For your campaign, you can create a poster about the artist or the art practice, or compile a series of their works in a brochure. You may also create a small flyer that you can distribute during lunchtime. Think about what works best for your campaign. On the left side at the bottom of the page, there are 2 images of a brochure. The brochure has 2 sides to it. The front side has 3 sides and the back side has 3 sides. Page number 1. Title, Main Image. Page number 2. Introduction. Page number 3, timeline or process. Page number 4, visual gallery. Page number 5, sources of information, names of students, class, year. Page number 6, visual gallery. Steps for making a brochure. Point number 1, fold an A4 sheet of paper into 3 equal parts. Point number 2, decide the sequence of pages and the flow of information. Point number 3, assign the 6 sides to a section of the information. Subpoint number 1, cover page. Put your title and main message on the first page. Subpoint number 2, introduction. Tell the reader what this brochure is about in a few words and visuals. Subpoint number 3, process. Share the background information about how an artwork is created or create a timeline with important works of an artist. Subpoint number 4, gallery. Create a gallery of visuals which could include photos and drawings of the artist, their work, materials, and tools. Subpoint number 5, sources. Don't forget to mention the sources where you took the information from. Your readers may want to find out more themselves. Experiment with techniques like collage and printmaking. Look closely at the material used by the artist and art practice. Can you take inspiration from it? Page number 212. Assessment. Chapter 19, Campaign for Art Awareness. There is a table given with 5 columns and 4 rows. Column number 1, CG. Column number 2, C or competency. Column number 3, learning outcomes. Column number 4, teacher. Column number 5, self. Column number 1, CG2. Column number 2, C or competency 2.2, learning outcomes. Use of visual elements to highlight the important information in a brochure. Next row. Column number 1, CG3. Column number 2, C or competency 3.2, learning outcomes. Undertakes a sequential process while making a brochure. Next row. Column number 1, CG4. Column number 2, C or competency 4.2, learning outcomes. Chooses a locally relevant artist or art practice to create an awareness campaign. Next row. Learning outcomes. Overall participation. Column number 4, teacher, and column number 5, self, are left blank for you to fill it. Teacher's comments and students' observations. Fill in the blanks. Page number 213. Summative assessment. There is a table given with 3 columns and 2 rows. Column number 1. Column number 2. Activity for assessment with example. Column number 2. Criteria for assessment. Column number 1. Individual. Column number 2. Activity for assessment with example. Make your portfolio presentation. Choose 5 artworks that reflect your learning milestones, which can include: point number 1, an artwork that was most challenging for you. Point number 2, an artwork that you are most satisfied with. Point number 3, an artwork with a technique or material you used for the first time. Point number 4, include rough sketches and process samples. Column number 3, criteria for assessment. Pay attention to: point number 1, elements and principles of visual art. Point number 2, composition or visual arrangement. Next row, group. Column number 2, activity for assessment with example. Point number 1, plan and organize a class exhibition. Point number 2, make groups of 6 to 8 students. Point number 3, look at the artworks or portfolios of your group members and find a common theme for display. Point number 4. Think of a title for your group's display. Point number 5. Plan the display format and execute it. Point number 6. Label the artworks with the students' names, titles, medium, and date. Column number 3. Criteria for assessment. Point number 1. Choosing an appropriate theme and title for the group exhibition. Point number 2. Selection of artwork. Point number 3. Applies design principles while displaying artwork. Page number 214. Notes. The page is left blank for you to write notes. Chapter 19 ends here.
Kriti, you were just listening to this audiobook, Textbook of Arts for Grade 8. Narration Richa Jain. Sound recordist Amarjeet Sarkar. Assistance in production Vineet Kumar Sharma. Directed and produced by Vimlesh Chaudhary. This audiobook is brought to you by CIET NCERT, New Delhi, India.